Ever tried using your phone flashlight outside and realize it's basically a glow stick with trust issues? Yeah, same. So if you're searching for a real flashlight, one that doesn't give up after 5 minutes, I found something interesting. Stick around so you don't miss the important part. This is the Acebeam X30, and calling it just a flashlight feels disrespectful. I've used a lot of lights over the years, and this one instantly tells you it's built for serious work. First, power. The X30 runs on two high-drain 21700 batteries, and yes, they're replaceable. That already puts it ahead of sealed lights that turn into paperweights after battery death. In real use, it handles long search sessions without dramatic brightness drop-offs. Now the beam, you've got three high-performance Cree LEDs, and depending on the version, this thing throws light up to hundreds of meters. I tested it outdoors, wide open space, and it easily lit areas I couldn't clearly see with my eyes. It's not just bright, it's controlled bright. What I really like is a dual source setup. White light for searching and red light when you need night vision or low profile use. Switching modes is simple thanks to the toggle switch, no confusing button mashing here. Control feels solid too. The tactical tail switch is responsive and the side switch makes daily use smooth. Nothing feels cheap or accidental. Durability, it's IP68 rated. Survived dust, rain, and a few oops drops during testing. No flickers, no issues. So who's this for? Search teams, outdoor pros, security, or anyone who wants a flashlight that actually delivers. Bottom line, the Acebeam X30 doesn't try to impress, it just does, and honestly that's what makes it impressive. If this is the kind of light you were searching for, now you know what it can really do. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.